Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable laundry solutions, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine offers both washing and spinning capabilities, making it a versatile choice for laundry. In contrast, the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer is designed solely for drying clothes, making it a specialized appliance for those who already have a washing solution. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine has a wash capacity of 18 pounds and a spin capacity of 10 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer is much smaller and lighter, designed for quick drying of small loads, which may limit its effectiveness for larger items. User reviews for the Auertech Portable Washing Machine highlight its effectiveness and value for money, though some mention the need for manual operation. In contrast, the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer has received mixed feedback, with some users praising its portability while others report safety issues, such as smoking and popping noises. In conclusion, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice for those needing a washing and spinning solution, while the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer is suitable for quick drying of small loads. Consider your specific needs and space constraints when making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.